Guys, this outfit has a refined presence that feels both elegant and effortlessly wearable. The fabric feels incredibly soft and smooth against the skin. Its lightweight construction makes it comfortable from day to night. The overall design is clean, modern, and beautifully balanced. Friends, that's what gives it such a timeless appeal. The fit feels relaxed while still maintaining a polished silhouette. It offers freedom of movement without losing its stylish structure. Every detail appears thoughtfully designed and carefully finished. The stitching is precise and contributes to the premium look. The material has a quality texture that feels durable and luxurious. It drapes naturally and enhances the overall appearance. Nothing feels excessive or overly complicated. The design focuses on elegance through simplicity. Friends, that's often the key to lasting style. The fabric moves comfortably with the body throughout the day. It maintains its shape while remaining easy to wear. The construction feels reliable and exceptionally well made. The quality is visible in every seam and finishing touch. Each element works together to create a sophisticated result. The outfit feels practical enough for regular use. At the same time, it carries a subtle touch of refinement. Friends, comfort is one of its strongest qualities. The finishing details add